why living on Mars is not a good idea. What do Elon Musk think about Mars?
Just to give some comparison between the two planets, that they're remarkably close in a lot of ways. In fact, we now believe that early Mars was a lot like Earth. And in fact, if we could warm Mars up, we would once again have a thick atmosphere and liquid oceans. So, but where things are right now, Mars is about half again as far from the sun as Earth. So still decent sunlight. It's a little cold, but we can warm it up. It has a very helpful atmosphere, which, in the case of Mars being primarily CO2 with some nitrogen and argon and a few other trace elements, means that we can grow plants on Mars just by compressing the atmosphere. And it has nitrogen too, which is also very important for growing plants. It would be quite fun to be on Mars because you'd have gravity, which is about 37% that of Earth. So you'd be able to lift heavy things and bound around and have a lot of fun. And the day is remarkably close to that of Earth. And so we just need to change that bottom row. Because currently we have 7 billion people on Earth and 0 on Mars.
And now reply to Elon Musk from Amanda Hendricks.
I'm Amanda Hendricks. I'm a senior scientist with Planetary Science Institute. First of all, I don't want to be too negative about Mars. I like Mars. I do think we should go there. Humans should go there to visit and check it out and do science. I just don't think it's a good place for living for long term. And the main reason is because of the radiation problem. And Mars offers no natural protection against the galactic cosmic rays. It has a thin atmosphere and no magnetosphere. So humans who intend to spend any long period of time on Mars are probably going to have to live underground or in some sort of devices that can shield them from the galactic cosmic rays. Titan, on the other hand, has got this natural shielding device, which is its nice thick atmosphere.
To watch terraforming of Mars and Titan, check the description or click on the icon right up there.
Because it's such a more appropriate environment for humans. Titan is really unique because it's a moon and it has a solid surface. It's mostly an icy moon, but it has this thick atmosphere. And it's unique because there's no other moon in the solar system that has such an atmosphere. The atmosphere is mostly nitrogen. It's about 1 to 2% methane. So one thing to point out is there's no oxygen in the atmosphere like we have here on Earth. And so humans living on Titan would need to make oxygen to breathe. Shouldn't be a big problem because there's plenty of H2O frozen on the surface and in the subsurface. So humans could derive oxygen to breathe without a big problem. Perhaps a good option might be for them to try out a very temporary short-term colony of humans on Mars and use that as a stepping stone to Titan. Use it kind of as a practice run. I think that would be a great idea. But somebody like Elon Musk has got the resources and the smarts to be able to work on Titan and to make a colony there happen and to make the propulsion system happen. And so I think he should be thinking about Titan more than Mars.
Now I tease your time to comment. Tell me what planet is suitable for long-term life. Source: NASA and SpaceX.
I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you do just what you're told. I'll be your heart and temptation.